Segmented processors. What are segmented processors? A. Fundamentals of designing a processors. Processor design is the design engineering task of creating processor, a key components of computer hardware. It is a subfield of computer engineering. Design development and implementation and electronics engineering. Fabrication. The design process involves choosing an instruction set and certain execution paradigm VLIW or RISC and result in a microarchitecture which might be described in VHDL or Verilog. B. The instruction set. The instruction set, also called ISA, instruction set architecture, is part of a computer that pertains to programming, which is more or less machine language. The instruction set provides command to the processors to tell it what it needs to do. The instruction set consists of addressing modes, instruction, native data types, register, memory architecture, interrupt, and exception handling, and extra I/O. C. Single cycle. Single cycle implementation assume each instruction is executed in one clock cycle. Each component, memory, ALU, etc., can be used only once. Reason for assuming separate instruction and data memories. D. Data path and control. Data path, memory register, other, ALU, and communication uses each step. Fetch, decode, execute. Save result, require communication data transfer path between memory registers and ALU. Control. Data path for each step is set up by control signal that set up data flow direction on communication buses and select ALU and memory function. Control signal are generated by a control unit consists of one or more finite state machine. E. The technique of segmentation pipeline. A wide variety of segmentation techniques have been proposed. See survey in 1327, 40, 53, 93, 99, 101, 102, 136, and 159. However, there is no one standard segmentation technique that can produce satisfactory results for all imaging applications. The definition of the goal of segmentation varies according to the goal of the study and the type of image data. F. Ideal operation. The input resistance of an OP must be very high, whereas the output resistance should be quite low. An OP amp should also have very high open loop gain. In ideal cases, the input resistance and open loop gain of an OP should be infinity, whereas the output resistance would be zero. So an ideal OP should have following characteristics.